Hi, welcome back to SAP Business Object Processing Framework demo series. Last session, we saw how we can implement the association class. So let's see how we can test the association, whether our implementation is working or not. Um, so I'm currently in a BOBX transaction, the business object builder export transaction. So you can open the transaction using BOBX and expand your node, open your business object. So we model the association on the item level. So let's expand the item and association, open the class. To test our, so what we done to capture the information of our product in our business objects in our item details node, we model the attribute called material key to store the information. So since it's a key, I don't want that to be enabled on my UI. That's the reason I put that as a read only field in my for my as a static property. So for our testing purpose, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to uncheck that. I'll make it as a editable field in my um, test UI. I'll just keep it and also make it as a enable field. Okay, so now this field will be available on my test UI. Save, check, and generate. This is just for testing purpose. Okay, so once we have the implementation to populate these key value automatically whenever we change the material number. Okay, so if I change the material number, so that will automatically update my material key field. Then once you have that implementation in place, we can mark this field as a read only again. So let's go back to our test UI. So you can use the transaction code called BOBT, or otherwise you can use the function in the execute one. So let's load the instance query by select all. Okay, so now we have the, let's take the second item, edit, and navigate to item details. Okay, so we have one material is available here. You can see here material key is available. Okay, and we want to put the product, so we are associating this item details node to our product business object. Okay, so let's open another session to get the I can type the product key, but it's not available here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a separate session, BOBT, and there I'm going to open the our product business object. So I'm going to say slash BOPF. So yeah, here we have product demo. Okay, and you go by select all. Mm, okay, not sure. Should I have any entry? No. Let me go back to the slash n BOBX to open our modeling T code to get our table business object, and we have the demo products, and here we have a root node. I was hoping that there was some entries created by, yes, let me execute this. Okay, so here these are the product ID. So what I'm going to say, I'm say this is my material number. So I'll copy this number. I'll go back to my test UI. So this is our sales order business object. So since there is no F4 between these two nodes, so I'm just typing this value. So once I provided this information, and you can see this one has to be populated via our determination. So we have to build or write a determination. Now whenever I change this value, so we have to write a determination to update this key. So currently this functionality is not implemented in our business object. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to manually update this information. So I'm going to use this option and take this key, TB key, and solve it. So press save. Yes, press save. So now these particular item details are associated to my product business object. So this key is being stored, and this is my current instance key. So what is going to be, this is my source key of my association, and this is my target key of my association to resolve it. That's the way we implemented the logic. Let's try to navigate to the um, product business object. So we have PO product. If you open it, okay, so looks like it's not working. Oh, so this is, we are going to product, and this one belongs to products. Okay, so this is demo products, and this is belongs to product. Okay, so there is some mistake. Let me check that. Should we have a, okay, there is something called products, and should I have another object called EPM product? There is something called product. Okay, so there is a two different business objects, so which made it small confusion. So I have something called demo product, and here I have something called demo products. Okay, so we need to change our model to target to um, this one. I hope that should work. Item details. So here I say I go with BPM products. So either you have to create the instance. So here you have products, and check. Okay, yes, so our model has been adjusted to resolve this information. Okay, so and come back to our test UI. Let's reload this transaction BOBT, and okay, so here we are in products. So is it RET or RET? Okay, you have your business object, and query by select all. Okay, second one, item details. So we have the information already, should be resolving it. Go back to bio products. See that. So this is a way it should be able to resolve it. So what is happening here? So when we resolve our association, the association class take this item key, this key as a source key, as a ET in the ET table, and this will have as a target key. So automatically the framework will be able to resolve this association between these item details with my products root business object. So now we want to update this information. For that, we need to have a determination to be written in our business object whenever we modify it. So you know that, right, how to create the determination. So we'll see in the next class how we can model that. Thank you.